Gumroad is a platform that allows creators to sell digital and physical products directly to customers. Adding a product to Gumroad is easy. Digital products like ebooks, software, courses, music, and art make up 80% of listings. Physical sales have grown 40% in 2025. Use the dashboard or updated mobile app to create your listing. You'll need to create an account if you don't already have one. Navigate to Dashboard, then Products, and click New Product to begin. For digital products, start by entering the title, description, price, and selecting a category like ebooks or courses. Next, upload your content files, supporting formats such as PDF for documents, MP3 for audio, and zip for bundles. Customize your product by adding images, previews, and setting up pricing tiers for different access levels. For physical products, follow similar initial steps, but select the physical product type when setting up. Specify the weight, dimensions, and shipping zones for your physical product. Then choose between handling fulfillment yourself or using third-party services. Be aware of Gumroad's fees. 5% platform fee plus 30 cents per sale, with payouts processed weekly. Always adhere to their terms, including age restrictions and content moderation guidelines.